Hello, my name is Catherine Ninsman. I am a liberal studies major going for my teaching credential, and today I'm going to talk to you about writing a short essay using an outline. So to start with, you would begin with your title. It's best to be creative and original with your title. Generally, you want to do this one last after you write your essay, but if you have a really good title in mind that you want to go and type down right away, go ahead and do that. But you want to start with your introduction first. And with this, you have 3 points that you want to hit. Your first one is stating the topic. And that's the subject that you're going to be talking about in your essay. The next is what the main points are that you're going to be talking about. And those main points make up your body paragraph. So you want to be very brief about what you are discussing. And then the third point is your question that you are going to be answering, or your topic sentence. This is, again, very brief and usually 1 to 2 sentences. Your main body generally consists of 3 main paragraphs or more, depending on what you're researching or writing about, but they're all generally the same. You have your main point and then 3 support with 2 examples or sources that you found those examples from. Your very last paragraph that you'll want to focus on is your conclusion. And I'm going to briefly talk about that for time's sake, and this is just where you would restate the topic that you were discussing. Briefly go over again the main points. Again, very brief, 1 to 2 sentences per idea, if that. And then the last one is you answering your previously stated question. Now, if your question was what you thought or what your viewpoint was on the essay, you would ask it at the beginning, and then at the very end in your conclusion, you would answer it. So your very last sentence would be what you thought about the essay and your take on it. And that's how you would write a short essay using an outline.